Hello friend, good morning, Jay Swaminarayan. So standard 6, chapter 5, learning MS Excel. Okay, in MS Excel is a we can store the data. Okay, arranging the data in proper format. Okay, calculating some data. Okay, like account type, all work we are doing in Excel. So these are the some benefits of Excel. You can use the chart. You can arrange the data in ascending order, descending order, pivot table, a proper arrangement of data. Okay, according to your date and time wise, and a different month wise you can enter the data. Okay, so all these are the benefit of MS Excel. So now here we will see the how to start the MS Excel first. Okay, and see the overview of MS Excel. So here go to click on a start button, and you will get the here Excel, like see. Okay, here Excel 2016, click on this. So you will get the Excel look like this. Okay, see here there are this is a blank workbook. Okay, and see this is the Microsoft given some different templates. Okay, so these are loading getting the features templates. Okay, you will get there are list of different template of Excel, but we are using a blank template. So click on blank workbook. See here you can see the like this different tutorials also given. Okay, for start with the formulas, pivot table, pivots. Okay, pie chart. Okay, calendar type. Okay, and this different template you can use for the Excels. Okay, now we are using a blank template. Okay, blank workbook. See these are the book one means there are multiple sheets here. See here you can see the sheet 1, or you can add the number of sheet 2, total 255 sheets. Okay, 255 sheets. Okay, so these are the overview. Here the title of your Excel sheet, book name. Okay, here the file tab. Okay, see here you can see the open the new file, open file. Okay, create a new file, open file, save as file means if you want to rename this file. Okay, print from this file. Okay, share if you want to share there some file. Okay, you can click or save to cloud means you are in a Google Drive. Okay, so you can save, or you can, if you want to email, then you can attachment as email. Okay, then export. Okay, so you can create it as a PDF file. Okay, change the type of a file. You can see these are the Excel file. Okay, but if you want to change in a different format, okay, like CSV format. Okay, and any other format, so you can in the text format, so you can change the for Excel's format from here. And if you close an account, here you can see the your product activation file. Okay, all these thing, office background, your images change, you can images. Okay, so these are the basic information about in a file section. This is the home tab. In a home tab, like cut, copy, format, printer. Okay, bold, italic, underline, all the option, color options available. Okay, so these are the different alignment option, left, right. Okay, justify. Okay, wrap the text means in a cell, look like this way. You see here in a text, you can see the one cell, write many lines. Okay, in one cell, like, so that is called a wrap the text. Okay, and here the different format available. Okay, in a for a cell. Okay, if you want to use for a time. Okay, percentage, fraction, all these things option available here. And the second one is here you can give the dollar sign. Okay, money, Indian rupees sign. Okay, UK sign. Okay, euro, dollar, Chinese sign, all these things, symbols given here. And these are the percentage. Okay, comma style percentage. These are the decimal point after zero, how much you can if you want to give, suppose 1.00. So okay, so you can give the like this way, use this. Okay, see like this way. So these are the decimal point. Okay, these are the formatting option. Okay, left, right, look like this way. Okay, suppose here if I typing like something, and if I use conditional formatting of this cell, suppose here like look like this. See here not applied because some data is different. Okay, so uh, okay, so these are the conditional formatting when we are using the any numbers of digit. Okay, so calculating digits. So at that time we are using this kind of colors. These are the icon. If you want to use the icon, then you can add the icon. Okay, these different icons available here. Okay, currently is not applying because uh, some meaningful data we want. Okay, so these are the, you can use the icon in the near on the cell. Okay, second one is a format as a table. So different table format is given. You can use any table, any different tables. Okay, and here you can use the colors of different see, like look like this. Okay, different colors you can give like this way. Okay, and here the insert, if you want to insert a row column. Okay, so you can insert from here. And if you want to clear any format, okay, clear cell format, all these things, or I want to clear this, clear all. Okay, so this is the clear. So this is our home tab, and second one is a insert tab. So in an insert tab, see here pivot table, you can create the table, number of table. Okay, see these are the table. If you want to select the table, particular table, so you can use the table. You can see the C3 this. Okay, to I3. Okay, I3 and I1 to 12, I3 to I12, look like this. Okay, so from here to here the range is given. This is the last cell and this is the first cell. Okay, so these are the ranges given for the table. You can add the pictures here. Okay, so these are the pictures you can insert from the here, any pictures you can take. Okay, so these are the different shape. You can use the shape like this way. Okay, so these are the shapes you can add now in the shape. Okay, from here different shape colors you can take. Okay, so smart art, here you can use the smart art like this, different smart art. Okay, you can click and see, you will see the different smart art. Okay, like this way you can use the different smart art. Okay, now if you want to take a screenshot, then you click on this screenshot, so you get the screenshot of your Excel sheet. Okay, Excel file. These are the charts. Okay, you can use the different charts. Okay, we need some data proper, so you will get, after that the chart will be visible. Okay, some word art given here. Okay, see here the word art. Okay, so these are the different, when you type here. Okay, see, look like this. This is the word art. Okay, so you can change the like this way. Okay, all these things you can format in Excel when you are making a table or proper data. Okay, so these are the all the and some different formulas given, but is currently not using, we are not using. So okay, so there are a basic overview. This was a very basic overview of this our Excel. Okay, so first here we will see the, this A is called, A1 is a name box, our name box is given. Okay, in this here the, see, cell number is displayed, which is the cell number, like B14, so you will get the B14. Suppose A2, so see here A2 is displayed. Okay, second one is this one is a formula bar. This one is what, formula bar. You can type here formula like equal, sum. Okay, this kind of formula you can use from here. Second one is a file tab. These are the file tab, all the tabs. Okay, and here see on the top right left corner is a quick access toolbar. You can use directly from here, quick access. Okay, if you want to open a new, okay, all this quick access, if you you don't want to go in a file option, and okay, and even if you know the shortcut key, don't know the shortcut key, then you can use from the here quick access. Okay, you can use fast you can use access. Okay, so these are the sheet tab. Okay, these are the sheet 1 2 3 4 5. You can add the number of sheet according to your requirement. These are the column, or the are the, this A B C D are the column, and these are the number is called the rows. Okay, understand? So these are the basic component of Excel. Understand?